डॉल पिक ट्यूटोरियल। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे सिंगल हर्ट्स। तो मैं आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगी कि मैं कैसे डॉल पिक्स बनाती हूँ। इट्स सो इजी, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। फर्स्ट गो टू प्ले स्टोर एंड सर्च पिक्चर टू अमाइन कन्वर्टर। Click on second option and download the app. If the download is completed, open it. You can open from both from the home screen and the Play Store. Now your app is opened. Now click on trending and option third. Click the picture you just want to amine. Now scroll to the option which is 9:16 ratio. Select the image. Then click on create. उसके बाद आपको 2 मिनट का ad आएगा. You just have to watch the whole ad. जब तक ad चलते रहेगा आप मेरे चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए and I will bring more things for you. So here your Amine picture is ready. ऊपर की साइड डाउनलोड होगा, डाउनलोड कर लीजिए. Then open your InShot app. Click on Photos. Click on New. Click on your Amine image you have created. So this is my Amine image. Now click on CapCut. On CapCut, you will be able to remove your background. Now click on option 2. Then wait for a few seconds. So now here your background is removed. Save the image by clicking on export. So here the image is saved again. Now again click on home. Click on photos. Click on new. Then click your real image. Scroll to the PIP. Now the pictures of the gallery will be open. Select your Amine image. Here it is and fix it on the image. Then click on export and download the image. It will take few seconds to download. So here the doll pic is ready. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So these are the doll pics I have created from the app. Ta-da! Follow and subscribe my channel.